Ngayon, a-attend kami ng open house Ateneo para sa social science. So, social science courses. Mamaya, kita ko sa inyo. Sabi.
Considering the planet's limits. In our history.
Ayan, tapos na yung forum. Ngayon, punta naman kami sa campus walk. Sabi. Yan. Magka-campus tour muna kami. Nawala kami. Nawala kami. So, papasok na muna kami. Okay?
Yes, so good morning everyone. I feel like almost everyone is already here. So yes, hello, good morning, maayong buntag at magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. We are members.
Admittedly, all DS classes are hard and heartbreaking because you'll be exposed to many forms of injustices and encounter communicate you first before making you whole again. Maybe in casual conversations in the org room or celebrating small successes with the communities you work with.
My group mate in our first basic assessment with Sir Lilan. So we go from day one.
Usually yung mga classroom sa Manila, as young children.
Naman po, the Philippines has already really shot up quite significantly. If we were to take, for example,
Studying in Italy.
Thank you so much, everyone, and welcome to Development Studies. Once again, I am Joe, and
I am Ross, and this has been
At doon nagtatapos ang open house dito sa Ateneo. Anong course?
Development Study.
Development Study under the School of Social Science. Thank you for watching and don't forget to follow, like, and share. Bye!